I'll teach you how to make a fast, what's the name again? YouTube thumbnail. Go and search up Canva. Then here, canva.com, and then why? Oh, then YouTube thumbnail. Then search your own YouTube thumbnail. Then all of these breaking news. Yeah, how to create. If you want to do your own, you can upload photos, or you could start recording the screen like bro. Hi, bro. Then we can watch. Save and exit. Now we see you. And it's kind of good. Video. I don't know what the it makes you a photo. Just me. Then audio volume. Look at all of these. You can even add a layer. Do anything. You can set a timer if you want, like, to create a YouTube video of 1 minute or 1 hour. Like, it's kinda good. Okay, 1 hour. Why did it just sound like that? Yeah. Then I can make a new home. Here's my home. Oh, okay. And you can even. Why does this say video? Hey, can you make your own? I didn't know about this. But yo. Make own. Try. Okay. Bro. Kane Taylor. You're the sound. It's got a good sound. What is this though? Good sound. Good. Good. Then elements. Make your own these. Like, but I'm gonna teach you how to make it fast. Then YouTube thumbnail. Like this. You can see something here. You see this. Midnight Gaming livestream, game tutorial. Wrong. And then you want to make your own, like I'll first show you off with like gaming. Where's gaming? There's gaming. Like this one. If you want to make it bigger, it's okay. There is he. You can take him by, like, okay. Like, I want effect. Like make none. Shadow, lift, the background. I like echo. I want to copy this and like that. Echo, live, paste. So here, oh, this. Copy. Oh, cannot for big. That is copy, paste. Oh, but I don't want this. You can take this up, take this. Then we don't want to die, but yeah, maybe we don't want the face. What the? Where's the whole green thing? Okay, to this live stream. So I can start recording like videos here. Record yourself. I don't have a camera. I just have a. Oh, no. Settings. Okay. No. No. Okay. Okay. Why do you only see my camera, bro? Delete. Okay. Make new. Screen. Gotta make this screen. Or window. Okay. Did record myself? Bro. Kinda good today. And bye! Bro, that's kinda crazy. Yeah. Like, little weird background. Awesome. No. Your Minecraft. It is not on English. Okay. Okay, bro. Can I go? Look what it is. I got banned. Like the other one. Oh! This one I don't want. This one. And I can use this. You just have to make a photo of myself. Here. Then right up to only the teased part. Okay. Okay. I'm kind of new to this. And there we go. This is my downloaded thing now. Start animating. Digital. Yo! Ink. Brush. Spray paint. Brush. Like, digital is best. No, I can't. Okay. We can print this. Okay, let's. Yeah, what? I don't want to actually pay for that for the one. I don't know. No, what's that? Yeah. Oh. Okay. I don't want a hitty. Minerally. What do I want? Business card. I'm gonna make a new page. Okay, design. Wait. Go back. No! Wait. Is this here? Oh! I just got it. Okay, add page. Here's my black page. Then now I start. Okay. Okay. Then this. Okay. There we go. But I want this side. Like there. Now, share, print with Canva, the business card. Now, a good business card has always these things. But these are the two sides. Because, yo, standard. It's kind of good one. $23. Yo, I don't buy dollars. Dollar. Okay. Yes. So it costs again. My business cost 23. 23. Oh! Oopsies. Kinda much. Yo. Much, bruh. 252. This card I wanted. Okay. 23. Okay. 1-8. No, 50. 1-8. Oh, another more. Not that much. So far I have that much. Okay. And 20 more to 180. So, hey, yo. I lost 200. Yo, I can buy this. Bro, buy. Yes. And we'll get 50. 50. What happened, like, Okay, what's max? 2,000. Oh, 200. 240, okay. How much will I lose? 240. Oh! 2,000? Oh, bruh. Too much. Okay, I stick with the 50. 50 I stick. 50 is too good. 50. Okay. Well, kind good. Kinda good. Okay. What is up? Meta. Okay. Fred's ping. Good. And it's apps that can help you. QR code? Yeah. That's our URL. Copy this URL. Copy. Paste. Generate. Okay. Yo. Can you make this smaller? Okay. Okay. What happens now? Yo! Don't scan it. Don't have a problem. And you're gonna copyright my things. Continue. Add card. 18 USD. Good. Bye.